The most common reason your iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 26 fails to send messages is poor or unstable network signal. Checking your signal strength is the best place to start. Other possible causes include temporary app issues, incorrect contact information, airplane mode accidentally left on, disabled iMessage or send as SMS settings, Apple server downtime, or even carrier-related issues. In this video, you'll learn 8 reliable fixes to get your messages sending smoothly again. So follow along, and you'll be back to texting friends, family, and colleagues in no time. The first thing you need to do is check your network. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 signal bars on your display. If you're in a low signal area, move to a location with better reception, or toggle cellular data off and back on. To do that, open Settings, then tap Cellular. Tap Cellular Data, then toggle the switch on or choose the SIM card you want to use for data if you have 2 SIMs. Next, restart the Messages app. This helps refresh the connection between the app and your carrier. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then pause halfway to open the app switcher. Swipe up on Messages to close it, then open it again from the home screen. Now, verify the contact information of the person you're messaging. Open Contacts, then select the person's name. Make sure their phone number or Apple ID email is correct and active. After that, toggle Airplane Mode. This refreshes all wireless connections at once. Swipe down from the top right corner, then tap Airplane Mode. Turn it on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again and try sending a message. Next, check iMessage. If it's turned off or not activated, your messages may not go through. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Then find and tap Messages. Tap iMessage, then toggle it on. Wait a few seconds for it to activate, then test sending a message. You should also enable Send as SMS. This ensures your messages are sent as regular text if iMessage isn't available. Go back to the Messages settings, scroll down and toggle on Send as Text Message. If messages are still not going through, check Apple's server status and look for iMessage. If it shows a yellow or red indicator, the problem is on Apple's end and you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact your carrier. There may be an account-related restriction or a network issue on their side preventing your messages from being sent. These 8 solutions should be enough to fix message sending issues on your iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 26. But if the problem continues, you can visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further help. If this video helped you fix your iPhone 14 Pro, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to keep your iPhone running smoothly.